Fuel stations in valley districts continue to remain shut following the bomb blast incident at the fuel station in Moirang last week. It is likely to continue as the talk between the Manipur Petroleum Dealers Fraternity and government authority yielded no positive result today. According to our source, a talk was held today with Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal, Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution CAF and PD, Home Secretary and representatives of Manipur Petroleum Dealers Fraternity at Secretariat Office in Bapupura. The meeting pondered on demands made by Manipur Petroleum Dealers Fraternity. However, consensus could not be achieved on the point concerning compensation, and the talk will continue to resolve this matter. Meanwhile, the shutdown of fuel stations will continue. On the other hand, prices of petrol and diesel have inflated as black marketers continue to sell petrol and diesel at higher prices. Petrol is being sold at price range of 150 to 200 rupees per litre at many places, causing a big burden to Delhi commuters.